What if I told you that for under $200,000, you could own a home that looks like it belongs on the cover of Architectural Digest? Soaring ceilings, exposed timber beams, a kitchen your friends won't stop talking about, and a covered porch you'll use every evening. Sound too good? It's not. And today I'm going to prove it. Welcome back. Today we're diving into Barndominium Plans under $200,000 that genuinely look like luxury builds. No gimmicks. 14 real floor plan concepts, honest cost breakdowns, and exact design tricks that separate a cheap Barndo from one that looks like a $500,000 home. Grab a coffee. Let's get into it. Why Barndominiums make financial sense in 2026. Real numbers first, because there's a lot of bad information online. Headlines claim you can build a Barndo for $50,000. In 2026, that is not realistic. What is realistic? A steel Barndominium runs $60 to $130 per square foot, fully finished. A traditional stick-built home costs $150 to $400 per square foot. That math becomes very attractive. Post-frame construction means roughly 50% less in labor costs. You get a building that resists 150 miles per hour winds, is fire and pest resistant, and needs far less maintenance. Properly insulated Barndominiums cut heating and cooling costs by up to 50%. For under $200,000 in rural Texas, Oklahoma, or the Midwest, you can build something beautiful. The key word is smart. 5 design secrets that make budget Barndos look luxury. Master these 5 principles, and your Barndo will look expensive regardless of what you spent. Secret 1. Ceiling height is everything. Let your roof line reach 14 to 20 feet in the great room. Steel framing gives you those spans at almost no extra cost. Add faux polyurethane with beams. Totally authentic on the floor, a fraction of real timber, and your living room looks like a resort. Secret 2. The rectangle is your friend. Every angle and bump out adds cost. A clean rectangle is the most efficient shape you can build. Execute it well, and it looks intentional and modern. Secret 3. Open concept is non-negotiable. Interior walls cost money. An open flow from kitchen to dining to living saves on construction and makes your home feel far larger. Secret 4. Invest in a kitchen and windows. A waterfall quartz island with pendant lighting makes every guest gasp. Big black frame windows flood the space with light and photograph beautifully. Bedrooms can have concrete floors. Nobody notices. Secret 5. Exterior presentation. A covered porch, contrasting siding colors, and intentional exterior lighting transform a metal box into a showstopper. Now, let's dive into the 14 plans. Plan 1. The Ranch Classic, 1,200 square feet. Estimate, $105,000 to $130,000. 3 beds, 2 baths, and a clean 40 by 30 footprint. Charcoal metal siding, whiteboard and batten accents. 12-foot vaulted ceiling with walnut-stained exposed beams. Farmhouse sink, open shelving, butcher block island. Polished concrete floors. Perfect for couples, retirees, or a rental. Plan 2. The Loft Dreamer, 960 square feet plus 340 square foot loft. Estimate, $110,000 to $140,000. Open main floor with kitchen, bath, and primary bedroom. Above, a stunning loft via metal spindle stairs with weatherwood treads. Ideal as a guest room, office, or studio. Natural light pours through the open stairwell. Light vertical siding, black low slope roof. Wide front porch. Plan 3. The Family Farmhouse, 1,800 square feet. Estimate, $145,000 to $180,000. For beds, 2.5 baths, and a 15-foot kitchen island anchoring the open main floor. Warm oak LVP throughout. Primary suite with walk-in closet, and a soaking tub framed by a picture window. Classic white exterior. Black windows. Deep covered porch spanning the full width. Gets shared on Pinterest. Constantly. Plan 4. The Modern Minimalist, 1,400 square feet. Estimate, $120,000 to $155,000. Matte black siding, concrete look porcelain tile, handle-less integrated cabinetry. A metal entry canopy adds architectural intention for almost nothing. Black painted ceiling with exposed ductwork delivers an industrial loft vibe. LED strip lighting replaces chandeliers entirely. Perfect for buyers who want rural life without sacrificing design. Plan 5. The Shouse, 1,000 square foot living plus 800 square foot shop. Estimate, $130,000 to $165,000. Part shop, part house, all practical. 2 beds, 1 bath, open kitchen and living. Attached, 800 square feet of insulated workspace with its own electrical panel and a 14-foot roll-up door. The shop generates rental income or supports your trade. In Texas, Oklahoma, and Georgia, the Shouse is one of the most requested plan types. Plan 6. The Monitor Barndo, 1,600 square feet. Estimate, $138,000 to $170,000. A raised center roof line with clear-story windows floods the interior with glowing directional light no other roof style matches. The ceiling peaks at 18 feet, cathedral-like, without feeling cold. 3 beds, 2 baths, with a kitchen that captures both that clear-story light and a rear picture window view. Plan 7. The Wraparound Porch Stunner, 1,500 square feet. Estimate, $128,000 to $162,000. In the South and Texas Hill Country, outdoor living is a lifestyle requirement. Nearly 400 square feet of covered wraparound porch. Pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, wire for fans and a TV. 3 beds, 2 baths inside, and a stone veneer fireplace wall that lifts the interior from budget to boutique. Plan 8. The Eco-Forward Build, 1,350 square feet. Estimate, $118,000 to $150,000. Spray foam in every wall cavity and roof panel. Triple pane south-facing windows for passive solar gain. Metal roof pre-engineered for future solar panels. 2 beds, 2 baths, open main floor. Scandinavian minimalist aesthetic. Warm whites, birch accents, simple hardware, wood-burning stove as focal point. Plan 9. The Weekend Retreat, 900 square feet. Estimate, $78,000 to $105,000. The most affordable on this list and one of the most characterful. 2 beds, 1 bath, compact kitchen with floating shelves. Screened-in porch that doubles usable space 3 seasons of the year. Corrugated red siding, white trim. Sliding barn door, live edge shelf above the window. Built for a getaway or phase 1 starter home. Plan 10. The 2-story with attitude, 2,000 square feet. Estimate, $160,000 to $198,000. Building up instead of out keeps the foundation small and space large. Ground floor, open kitchen, dining, living, guest bath, mudroom. Upstairs, 3 beds, 2 baths. The staircase is a star. Open metal railings, reclaimed wood treads, positioned opposite the entry, so it's the first thing every visitor sees. Plan 11. The outdoor entertainment machine, 1,700 square feet. Estimate, $145,000 to $180,000. Oversized glass garage doors merge the main living area with a covered outdoor room, creating nearly 3,000 square feet of entertaining space. Stone fireplace, concrete bar top, pre-wired entertainment wall. 3 beds, 2.5 baths inside. Those glass doors alone make this look like a $1 million build. Plan 12. The Homesteader's Dream, 1,600 square feet. Estimate, $130,000 to $165,000. For people actually living the Barndominium life. Root cellar entry, dedicated canning kitchen, mudroom for real farm boots, utility room with deep sink and chest freezer space. 3 beds, 2 baths. A breezeway connects to a small barn for animals or future expansion. Sealed concrete, solid wood cabinetry, honest, durable finishes. Plan 13. The Farmhouse Masterclass, 1,850 square feet. Estimate, $152,000 to $190,000. Shiplap accent walls. Vaulted white pine tongue-in groove ceilings. Exposed dark steel trusses. Waterfall quartz kitchen island. Primary bath with hex tile walk-in shower and rain head. For beds, 2.5 baths. Reclaimed brick porch columns. Stained with plank porch ceiling. The plan you'd be embarrassed to admit cost under $200,000. Plan 14. The future-proof flex build, 1,500 now, expandable to 2,400 square feet. Estimate, $122,000 to $158,000. Phase construction at its smartest. Phase 1, 2 beds, 2 baths, open main floor. Everything engineered for expansion. Roofline ready for a seamless addition. Oversized electrical panel. Extended foundation. When ready, add a primary suite wing, 3rd bedroom, and larger porch. Build what you need now. Grow into what you want. What will actually break your budget? 4 things turn a $200,000 build into a $300,000 nightmare. Site prep. Bringing utilities to a rural lot costs $10,000 to $75,000, depending on distance. Know your site costs before falling in love with land. Finish creep. The shell is where you save. The interior is where budgets collapse. Every upgrade compounds fast. Set a finish budget and hold the line. Insulation. Spray foam costs $5,000 to $10,000 more than bat insulation up front. But under-insulating a metal building means constant HVAC strain for the life of the structure. Spray foam pays for itself within 5 years. Do not skip it. Location. In California, Hawaii, or the Northeast, labor costs make these numbers nearly unreachable. These budgets work best in Texas, Oklahoma, the Carolinas, Georgia, Tennessee, the Midwest, and the Mountain West. Financing your build. Conventional lenders are often reluctant to finance Barndominiums because they're difficult to appraise through standard comparable sales. Your best options. Farm credit lenders like Farm Credit Services of America, who understand rural builds. USDA rural development loans, if you qualify by income and location, or owner-builder construction loans, if you're acting as your own general contractor, which can cut 15 to 20% from your total cost. Arrive prepared. Bring detailed plans, a materials list, a timeline, and a 3D rendering. Professional documentation earns better loan terms. Building a luxury-looking barndominium under $200,000 is genuinely achievable, but it takes clarity, discipline, and smart design. These 14 plans prove you don't have to sacrifice beauty or quality to stay in budget. You just have to be intentional about where every dollar goes. 3 next steps. Write your must-haves list today. Get real quotes from at least 3 local builders. Join communities like Barndominium Zone or Barndominium Life on Facebook. Real costs and lessons no video can replace. If this helped, share it with someone planning to build. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we step inside a real Barndominium built for under $180,000 and break down every cost room by room. No fluff, real numbers. Here. See you there.